In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can transfer money to a bank account from your debit card. Now to achieve this, we're going to be using Remitly Money Transfer. This is a money transfer services that allows you to transfer money worldwide. Now to download the app, the link is in the description of this video. Now when you're registering, all it needs is your email address and your password to get started. Now once you have the app, you're just going to select send. I'm going to select my existing recipient, which is myself, to demonstrate this, right? You need to specify the amount of money that you want to send, then select continue. Now for the delivery speed, you can choose between express or economy. Now for express, you have the option to send the money directly to a debit or credit card and they will have that money instantly, right? Now the economy is $1 cheaper really, right? And you can pay with your bank account, or in my case, Interact e-transfer. The option that you see will be different depending on the country which you're sending from. Now, so I'm going to go with Express. Now for the delivery method, you can choose bank deposit or debit card deposit. Now with the debit card deposit, this option is instant, right? And with the bank deposit, this will be within 1 to 3 business days. So you can choose which one you prefer, right? So let's go with debit card deposit. I already added my debit card, so that is why the information is shown here. Then continue. Provide the recipient's first and last name. Here you can skip this option for a notification. Then you're going to provide your address, which is the sender. Then select continue. Then provide your phone number, right? This is the sender's phone number. Then here you're going to choose your payment method. So this is where you're going to add your debit card by selecting add new card. So I'm just going to select an existing debit card, and then all you need to do is just hit send and the money will be available instantly in the bank account, right? I do not want to send any money right now. I just wanted to share with you how you could achieve this. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.